is good, YouTube? Look, here's 10 things you need to know about making money online today. So look, welcome back to the channel. Lazy TV, turn the TV on. So look, we're growing each and every day, each and every day with more subscribers, more views, all that. Like I said, I'm gonna be back with another video, letting y'all know how my YouTube is doing and how much money my YouTube is earning. So today, here's 10 things that you need to know about making money online. Okay, so look, I know a lot of people out there are creatives, a lot of people out there do a lot of creative things. So if you found this video, this is for you. There's a lot of things that you could do. So today, let's talk about what you need to know. So if you want to make music, if you're a producer, if you do anything in the audio field, then this is a way that you can make money easily. So with me, it all started back a handful of years ago, and I was able to maneuver my way and figure out ways to make money from my home, from online, money all to me. So to do, right, is find a distributor, any distributor. There's plenty of them nowadays. So there's DistroKid, there's TuneCore, there's CD Baby. The list goes on and on. There's literally so many good distributors nowadays that you could go to them and pay a one-time fee and upload as many tracks as you want to in that year. So say if you wanted to upload 1,000 tracks in 1 year, you would be able to do that for a one-time fee. And see, they take that one-time fee and you get 100% of that back. So that is something that you could do, right? Just make sure that you have music ready. If you don't have music ready, you need to get your music ready. So first thing you do is get your music ready. Once you got your music ready and you have artwork and you're ready to upload, make sure your artwork matches the title of the song. Make sure if it's explicit that it has a parental advisory logo on it. Make sure it has these little things so that when you upload, you're not gonna be turned away and have them tell you, oh, things aren't matching up, we can't send them to the stores, things like that. You have to make sure everything's matched up. So artwork, the music, first two things. Find a distributor. First three things you want to do. So once you find your distributor, that's a big thing that you got off your shoulders. You know who you're gonna be distributing your music with. It's big. You have music. You have the artwork. Okay. So next thing you can do is upload, right? That's what you know. You don't want to worry about the streams. You don't want to worry about those things just yet. So what you want to do, right, is upload that. Make sure you have the title, your artist name, you know, the simple things, you know. Have your music or your beat uploaded, or it could be even a cappella. Once you have those things uploaded, this is where you can actually start making money. So the stores who pay out the most are Apple Music, or Spotify, are all these places that you heard about. Even SoundCloud at one point was paying out pretty good. But Tidal, Amazon, there's all these different platforms that you can push your music on to get paid. But the ones we'll be focusing on are Apple Music and Spotify, the biggest two. Those have the most users. Third, I think it's Tidal right now. YouTube and YouTube Music is a big thing. It's a big thing that's happening. YouTube, I'll get into the YouTube and how you get paid in a little bit, but once you have this song up, once you figure out where you want to promote, you have to promote. If you don't promote, you will make no money. This is the thing. You have to put in money to make money. That's the thing. Because if you don't and you just expect your music to get streamed somehow, you expect to just put it up and it reaches your stores, or maybe you post it once and you expect it to go viral or even get close to 1 million streams, it's not going to happen. Because there's rare cases that does happen, but you're going to have to get it out there. You're going to have to promote it. That's the whole thing. It's the music business. You have to promote your work. to get it out there, and that's how people are going viral. That's how people are getting these thousands and millions of streams, is by promoting the work. So that's how you're going to be able to make money instantly. You'll be able to see how much money you're making literally on your first couple days of doing promotion. Once your music is getting streams, you'll be able to see how many streams that you're getting, either from, like I said, I'm focusing on Spotify and focusing on Apple Music. So Apple Music for artists, Spotify for artists, 2 apps that will be able to show you how many streams that you're getting each day. So every day you could go to that app, you could check and see how many streams you got on the day before, and all the other previous days. So YouTube also has a payout program, and it's by anybody who uses your music in a YouTube video, or you putting up the audio, or the audio that the distributor puts up. You could make money from all of those. So if you get streams on those, you can kind of calculate the streams, and you can kind of see how much money you make. If you have a lot of streams, you can make a lot of money. Apple Music being the top out of what we're talking about, you can make the most money per stream on that platform, then Spotify, and then YouTube. But you'll be able to calculate through the app how much money that you're making. So you can make money each day and be able to calculate it, how much you're making. So like a lot of these platforms, you get paid out, at least once every month. There are certain platforms I know that do 2 times every month. All depends on who your distributor is and who you're going through. So the thing is, money. How are you going to get this money? How are you going to receive this money? I know that's the question we all been asking. So I'm going to let you know this is how you do it. So in DistroKid, in TuneCore, you can set up payments that go in 3. You have 3 different options. You can have it go to your bank account. You could have it show up as a check, and you could have it PayPal to your PayPal account. So I know a lot of people that like to get a check, because they like to say, hey, I'm getting paid for music, and this is my check, and it's a milestone for a lot of people to get paid from the music that they make at the studio, or even from their home. So it's always a milestone, so you can get a check. Problems with the checks is that they take, I think, 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. Who wants to wait 1 to 2 weeks for their money that's already theirs, right? So you've already waited too long. So the other thing is bank account, which takes a few days. It takes, I think, 2 to 3 days, depending on your bank, depending on how fast they get to it. But you could get it directly into your bank in a couple of days. And then PayPal takes, I think, 2 days max, as long as it's not a weekend. But those are the ways that you can receive your money, and you'll be able to withdraw at any time. If you don't want to pick up your money for that month, and you wanted to save up in there in the distributor platform, and you want to wait so you could pull out a bigger amount later on when you know that you're going to get paid, when you checked your app and you're saying, okay, I'm going to get this much amount of money this month, so I'm going to wait until after this month to pull it out. You could do that. And that's one thing that I like, is that, you're not forced to take your money out. So all in all, you can make money online today. These are the things that you needed to know to make this money online and to continue to make money and be successful. You guys got it. It's going to be more money on the way. More money topics. I got y'all. Unlimited Leezy TV. We out.